Before attempting a DIY roof repair, you should be aware of the risk factors. If you do not have sufficient training, you could risk slipping or falling off, or using the wrong materials. You also risk hurting yourself by wearing inappropriate clothing or shoes. In addition, you could end up with a weakened roofing system and hiring improper workmanship. It is always best to hire a roofer to do the job properly. Doing DIY roof repair can be risky. Even though you can learn the process yourself, the result can be less than optimal and may even end up costing you more. It can also take a long time to complete. As an average homeowner, you probably have other responsibilities to handle. Therefore, it's better to leave the repair to the professionals. It may be a fun project, but it's crucial to consider the risks. It's better to leave it to professionals if you're not experienced in the job. You can get information online, but if you don't have any experience with it, you should hire a professional to do it for you.